Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to access Turkish Airlines student discounts and benefits. Start by searching for Turkish Airlines student discount on Google and click the first link, which directs you to their official website. You'll see the benefits for students, including up to 20% discounts off domestic flights and flights between Turkey and TRNC, up to 15% off international transit flights, 40 kilogram baggage allowance on international flights, or 2 by 23 kilograms under the peace concept. And lastly, one-time free ticket change on international flights. So scroll down and follow these steps to access these benefits. So first is to create an account, sign up for the Miles and Smiles membership program if you don't already have an account. You can click the link here. After signing up, you must verify your student status. Log into your account using the link here. Go to the My Personal Information section and verify your student passenger type under the Discount Types tab. Lastly is to book your ticket. Once your student status is approved, log into your account, select the student passenger option when booking your flight, and enjoy the exclusive discounts and benefits. And that's it.